Hello everyone, I am Angry Bird. We are connected on Gate.io and today I have a new project. RCADE. Gate will initially list RCADE network, RCADE spot trading and launch HODLer Airdrop. Gate will initially list RCADE network and offer a limited time HODLer Airdrop. Users holding at least 1 GT can share 9,600,000 RCADE tokens for free. The HODLer airdrop is exclusively for GT holders after the RCADE network. RCADE airdrop concludes. No funds will be deducted from participants. Click on it and join now. Here is the join button and airdrop details. HODLer airdrops end time July 9th 2025 at 11 UTC and total supply 9,600,000 RCADE. Unlocking rule 100% unlock and trading starts July 9th 2025 at 13 UTC and trading pair RCADE USDT. Participation rules, and here is the participation rules. Complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holdings. Snapshots proportion. The maximum participation limitation for each user in this event is 5,000 GT. How to claim the airdrop? Login and complete identity verification. And go to Launchpool, select HODLer airdrop, hold at least 1 GT. Click join now and HODLer airdrop FAQs are also here. Click on it and read now. Here is the about RCADE network. The RCADE network is decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment and gaming. RCADE bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with the Revolving Games RG, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are Revolving Games RG, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow, with 700,000 plus installs across 4 launch titles and 40,000 plus paying customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 M plus USDT plus total capital raised from traditional funding and community spends across infrastructure and in-game revenue. RCADE is set to power its next phase of growth through games publishing. Here is the token name RCADE network and token symbol is RCADE. RCADE and the maximum supply is 40 million, and here is the token type. ARB is the token type and token ID is also mentioned here. Token distribution ratio and unlocking rule. RCADE node rewards 37%, release 2.6% at TGE 0-month cliff, 36-month vesting and vesting advisors 4%, 0-month cliff, 12-month vesting investors pre-seed 5%, 12-month cliff, 12-month vesting investors bridge 0.5 percentage, release 50 percentage at TGE 12-month cliff, 0 month vesting, and investor seed 6.9 percentage, release 10 percentage at TGE 6-month cliff, 10 at 12-month vesting, investors strategic 0.4 percentage, released 5 percentage at TGE 6-month cliff, 12-month vesting, and team 12 percentage 12-month cliff, 24-month vesting, airdrop and player incentives 19.38 percentage, release 53.56 percentage at TGE 0-month cliff, 6-month vesting, and launch contributors 4.67 percentage, release 100 percentage at TGE, and treasury 3.85 percentage, 0-month cliff, 48-month vesting, ecosystem growth 2.95 percentage, release 25 percentage at TGE, 0-month cliff, 48-month vesting, and liquidity 3 percentage, release 100 percentage at TGE. And the website link is also here. Click on it and go to the website. GateLive investment disclosure. GateLive did not invest in RCADE network RCADE, and here is the notes. First one note is Gate token GT is the unique exchange token of Gate exchange and the native token to the Gate chain public chain. Hold GT now. Click on it. The website is the link is also here, and please complete identity verification before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards where any discrepancy arises between the translated and original English versions, the English version shall prevail. Gate reserves all rights to the final explanation. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participating in this event, game, or competition. See the user agreement. And for further details on restricted locations, the risk warning is also here. The HODLer Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its early stages. The project operation, underlying technology, and legal environment may pose significant risk. And the second one is the project team doesn't guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. And the third one risk warning is the HODLer Airdrop project is still in its initial stage factor, including the operation and underlying technology of the project, and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. And the fourth one warning is advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assets. investment, and the market volatility is high, and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and market factors. Here is the Gate team, 8 July 2025. Gateway to crypto, trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonus and join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics and engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Okay, here is the RCADE total airdrop of RCADE, 9,600,000 RCADE. The total airdrop and the participants is 11,412, and the per GT is 1.60 RCADE. And here is the individual participation cap, 5,000 GT. Claim for free. Click on it and claim for free. Here is the increased GT within the individual participation cap. The more GT you have, the more airdrop you will receive. Okay, here is the project introduction. The RCADE is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. RCADE is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with the Revolving Games RG, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow. With 700,000 plus installs across 4 launch titles, 40,000 plus paying customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million USDT plus total capital raised from traditional funding and community spends across infrastructure and in-game revenue. RCADE is set to power its next phase of growth through games publishing. And here is the token economics and technical overview. Token economics: the RCADE tokens acts as the designated gas token facilitating transactions on the RCADE chain. RCADE utility is expected to extend into several key areas, particularly emphasizing governance, fee management, and incentivization mechanics. RCADE will also act as the payment mechanism within the RCADE ecosystem, accepted as payment for games, in-games, in-games items, in-game stores, and integrated marketplaces. And here is the technical overview. Built on high performance blockchain infrastructure powered by Arbitrum, Caldera, and EaseFlow, the RCADE network ensures fast, low cost, and decentralized gameplay with no middlemen. or centralized control from discovering new games and activating rewards to powering decentralized infrastructure via arcade nodes. Arcade fuels every layer of this new player powered future. Here is the highlight vegan arcade node rewards 37 percentage release 2.6 percentage at TGE 0 month cliff 36 month vesting and advisors 4 percentage 0 month cliff 12 month vesting and investors pre-seed 5 percentage 12 month cliff 12 month vesting and investors bridge 0.5 percentage release 50 percentage at TGE 12 month cliff 0 month vesting and investors seed 0.69 percentage release 10 percentage at TGE 6 month cliff 12 month vesting and here is the investors strategic 0.4 percentage release 5 percentage at TGE 6 month cliff 12 month vesting and the team 12 percentage 12 month cliff 24 month vesting and airdrop and player incentives 19.38 percentage release 53.56 percentage at TGE 0 month cliff 6 month vesting and launch contributors 4.67 percentage release 100 percentage at TGE treasury 3.85 percentage 0 month cliff 48 month vesting and ecosystem growth 2.95 percentage release 25 percentage at TGE 0 month cliff 48 month vesting and liquidity 3 percentage release 100 percentage at TGE. Okay, here is the highlight or version. The arcade network is decentralized blockchain refining media entertainment and gaming. Arcade is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with revolving games. RG, a multi studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow, with 700,000 plus installs across 4 launched titles, 40,000 plus paying customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million USDT plus total capital raised from traditional funding and community spend across infrastructure and in-game revenue. Arcade is set to power its next phase of growth through games publishing. And here is the risk reminder. The trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participating in this project, you accept our airdrop terms and condition. Here is the FAQ. How to participate in the HODLer Airdrop. as long as your GT holdings in Gate account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or stocking GT. And the second one question we have, which accounts GT holdings will be included in the calculation? Total GT holdings is unified account, spot account, isolated margin account, copy trading account, boots account, financial account and payment account. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. Okay. And the third one question we have, how is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average. Your holdings, your final reward is based on your average holdings during the entire project period. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Okay. Final token received is equal to your average hourly holdings. All participants average hourly holdings multiply total airdrop amount. And here is the what is per GT. Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the HODLer Airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all participants and is updated hourly. And here is the next question, why are my holdings counted differently across projects? The system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holdings depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. Okay. And the next question, what is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement for more information. And the second last question we have, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. Okay, the last question, how will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrops will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it anytime in Launchpool and HODLer Airdrop participation history. And here is the arcade network. Here is the trailer and about ecosystem, about revolving games and ecosystem tokenomics and nodes and chain. Here is the game here is the games overview, War of Nova and the Sky, Born Legacy, Phoenix Flight and Headkey Links. And here is the side quest. And here is the marketplace, NFT collections and nodes, TBA and the tokens TBA plug in now. And Here is the contract and terms of uses, also privacy policy and not agreement. Okay, here is the marketplace, NFT collections and nodes, TBA token, TBA. And here is the overview: War of Nova and Skybound Legacy. Okay, here is the RCADE network. RCADE network is the global game chain token facilitating the expansion of the revolving gaming ecosystem and node network. The link is also here. The links is also here. And Arcade, the global chain token powering the future of the evolving games publisher ecosystem. And now we have Gate Launchpool FAQ. The first one question we have: what is Gate Launchpool? Gate Launchpool is an innovative stocking airdrop and airdrop platform where users can stock GT and BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and join now. Here is the join button. And the second one question we have: how can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stock your assets. Here is the guideline. Check the participation guide. Click on it and check the participation guide. And the third one question we have: which coin can I stock in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. And the fourth one question we have: how many tokens will be rewarded? Early stocking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stocking amount. Total pool stocking amount multiply early reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amount each hour and take the average stocking amount as the valid stocking amount. And the fifth one question we have: how are rewards distributed? Okay, the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amount early and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Early earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. And the sixth one question we have: when will the stocked assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance of or the stocking is completed, the stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. And if Simple Earn does not support the claim of the redeemed token, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. And the seventh one question: And the seventh one question, can I redeem my stocked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stocking amounts. However, early redemption may result in the loss of occur rewards. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And the eighth one question we have, can I add additional stocked assets? You can increase your stocked assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. And the ninth one question we have, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple Launchpool projects going on at the same time, you can stock in different pools to receive new tokens. Mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stocking pool needs to be stocked separately. If you only stock assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stock pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. And the 10th one question we have, what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The early rewards hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stocking rewards will be granted, and please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. And the 11th one question we have, will stocking assets in the Gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets stocked in the Gate launch pool will be included in the assessed holdings calculation for HODLer Airdrop, Launchpad, and VIP privilege. And the 12th one question we have, what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stocked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. And here is the about annual percentage rate APR when the reward coins in the stocked coin. APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour and multiply closing price of reward coin of the last hour and last hour total stock multiply closing price of the stock coin of the last hour multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. And the APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual analyzed return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated early. Now we have how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platforms where users can stock GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and stock to earn now. Here is the stock to earn now button. And now the question, how to join Gate Launchpool and stock to earn. Log in to your Gate account and navigate to Launchpool app, home Launchpool, web, click earn Launchpool and choose the stocking pool you want to join. Click stock, enter the stocking amount, click confirm and complete stocking. View rewards in reward history after successful stocking. And here is the how to stock earn snapshots are here. First click launch pool and the second one choose the stocking pool, click participate and enter the stocking amount and click confirm. Here is the fourth one screenshot. View rewards in reward history and click earn launch pool and choose the stocking pool. Click stock and here is the enter the stocking amount. Click confirm. View rewards in reward history. The notes. Please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assessed. The stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. And the third one, the will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and you can increase your stocking assets at any time. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And the next is launch pool, quick stocking earn potential and new tokens 360.0 million USDT and the fund raised is 27.21 billion USDT and the participants of 5.70 million plus is the participants and estimated total reward is 565.8k USDT. And here is the about launch pool. All pools are here. The all pools is 278 and in progress is 7, upcoming is 1 and it 270. And here is the ICNT. ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network, an open, permissionless, and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platforms like AWS with decentralized enterprise grade storage, compute, and bandwidth. The recent investment by Helium Baker NGP Capital places ICN at a fully diluted valuation FDV of 470 million USDT. The ecosystem is operational and currently generates over 7 million USDT in APR through services delivered to 1,000 plus enterprise clients, reflecting a 2,000 plus year-over-year growth. The network powers over 80 PB of active decentralized storage across Europe and the US, with 250 PB plus in the global pipeline, with 250k plus community members and 29,000 plus nodes across 140 countries. ICN is setting the standard for real scalable Web3 infrastructure backed by top investors including 1KX, No Limit, 1KX, 1kx, and here is the 1kx no limit holdings protocol labs, NGP capital, HV capital, and more. Okay, total reward is for 20,000 ICNT, and stocking period is 10 days, and stocking period is 10 days, and the end time is 13/7/2025 at 2025 at 17. Okay, and here is the reward ICNT 250,000, and APR is 2.6 percentage, and the participants is 3,212.12, and the total stock is 1,803.07 BTC, and individual stocking cap is 10 BTC, and here is the reward ICNT. APR is the reward of ICNT is 100,000, and APR is 1.26 percentage. The participants is 4,173, and total stock is 42,077.42 Ethereum. Okay, and the individual stocking cap VIP is 300 Ethereum. The reward ICNT is APR is APR 90.41 percentage, and participants 7,573, and total stock is 6,691,928.88 ICNT, and here is the DMC. DMC DeLorean Labs, the official Web3 arm of the DeLorean Motor Company. DMC is continuing its tradition of innovation. DeLorean is introducing the world's first tokenized electric vehicle, as well as its industry first on-chain vehicle, and reservation marketplace on analytics system. The DeLorean protocol delivers a seamless, transparent ecosystem for digitality, purchasing, trading, authenticating, and tracking. Purchasing, trading, authenticating, and tracking vehicles, all backed by immutable records of ownership, maintenance, usage, and performance data. Fundamental to the DeLorean ecosystem is DMC, a token that blends cultural significance, utility, and the strength of an iconic brand. And here is the USDT pool. Firstly, I tell you the total rewards of DMC: 24 million DMC, and the stocking period is 28 days, and end time is 22/7/2025 at 16, and the mining ends in 13 days, 6 hours, 42 minutes, and the 10 seconds. And here is the USDT pool: stock USDT and earn DMC. The reward is 12 million, and the APR is 23.92 percentage, and the participants is 4,507, and the total stock is 6,142,384.06 USDT. And here is the GT pool: stock GT and earn DMC. Reward of DMC is 8 million. APR is 3.15 percentage. The participants is 25,069. The total stock is 3,279,260.265.1 GT. And here is the DMC pool: stock DMC and earn DMC. Reward is 4 million DMC. APR is 48.59 percentage, and the participants is 32,422, and the stock total stock is 324,788.37 DMC. And here is the AIN, which is also in progress. AIN Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructure for web coders, creating an agent-driven development environment free from centralized limitations, built on three core pillars. The first, decentralized agentic IDE, enabling anyone to build DApps, games, social apps, DeFi applications without coding, using only natural language. An AI app store for publishing and monetizing creations, and ING network, a scalable public chain designed specifically for web coders. In early 2025, Infinity Ground raised a 2 million USDT seed round backed by top investors including Fractures Ventures, MarbleX, MHV Ventures, Anomica Brands, Nift Furry, and Presto Labs, Paka, etc. The project is pioneering a new era of AI native applications for the masses. Here is the total rewards: 1 million in. Stocking period is 5 days, and the end time is 10/7/2025 at 17. The mining ends in 1 day, 7 hours 38 minutes and 51 seconds. Here is the BTC pool. Stock BTC and earn in. Reward of N is 800,000. APR is 4.66 percentage. The participants is 1,318, and the total stock is 1,530.89 BTC. And the AIN pool is stock AIN and earn AIN. Rewards AIN 400,000. APR is 930.78 percentage, and participants is 4,111, and the total stock is 8,973.9.57 in. Click on it and stock now. Here is the frag, which is also in progress. Fragmetric began as Solana first native liquid restocking protocol and evolved into the advanced Frag 2022 asset management standard. This new standard seamlessly integrates multi-asset deposit, precise rewards distribution, and modular yield sourcing, empowering both developers and users to efficiently assess sophisticated DeFi strategies. And here is the total rewards: 750,000 frag, and the stocking period is 8 days, and the end time is 9/7/2025 at 17. Okay, at 17. And here is the at 17. Here is the stocking rewards: 500,000 frag, participants is 225, and the token stock BTC, and the price pool early cap is 2006 4.16 frag, and the mining period is 8 days, and individual early reward cap is 182.29 frag, and the total stock is 2051.961746 BTC, and API is 3.15 5 percentage. Okay, 3.15 percentage. Here is what can we do for you. Here is the self services and reset login password, change fund password, edit phone number, email setup, edit Google authentication, self-help acceleration, and token recovery. Okay, and token recovery. Here is the FAQ. FAQ is guide P2P trade, futures, Web3, copy trading, and gate card, pre-market trading, and gate community center, spot and margin, launch, referral, NFT announcement, gateway, and buy crypto with fiat, unified account, hold and earn, hodler and earn, boots options and convert. And here is the here is what can we do for you. Here is the self services, reset login password, email setup, edit phone number, token recovery, edit Google authentication, self acceleration, and change funds password. And here is the FAQ, guide P2P trade, futures, Web3, copy trading, gate card, gate community center, buy crypto with fiat, spot and margin, launch, referral, NFT announcement, convert options, boots, hodler and earn, unified accounts, buy crypto with fiat, and pre-market trading and gateway. Here is the latest news. Gate will initially list Tansy, spot trading, and launch HODLer Airdrop. Gate will initially list Tansy, spot trading, and launch HODLer Airdrop and Summer Koi Airdrop. Get 1 GT with EOS, and Gate is launching the limited time Summer Koi Airdrop and complete all designated tasks during the event to share a 1000 GT prize pool. Submit your wish, become the Summer Koi, and unlock your exclusive luck now. Okay, and here is the HODLer Airdrop. Hold GT and get more massive airdrops for free. Airdrop received. Okay, and the cumulative airdrop is 127.4 million USDT, and the total airdrop is 104.9k USDT, and the participants is 11.53 million plus participants. And here is the all 264, and in progress is 3, upcoming 0, and it 261. Tansy is in progress. Total airdrop of Tansy is 333 Tansy, and the participants is 1654 participants, and per GT is calculating, and the end time for R 32 minutes. And RCADE, total airdrop of RCADE is 9,600,000 RCADE. The participants of RCADE is 11,361 per GT 1.60. RCADE ends in 6 hours 32 minutes. And here is the SARM. Total airdrop of SARM is 2,083,333 SARM, and the participants is 12,616 SARM, and per GT is 0.6385 SARM, and the end time in 1 day 0 hour 31 minutes. And the tag is total airdrop 52,910.53 tag, and the participants is 10,305, and the per GT is 17.21 tag, and the end time is 8, 7, 20, 25 at 13. And here is the Pearl. Total airdrop of Pearl is 900,000 Pearl, and participants is 13,734, and the per GT of Pearl is 0.1775 Pearl, and the end time is 7, 7, 20, 25 at 17. And here is the eco. Total airdrop of eco is 1 million eco, and the participants is 11,116, and per GT is 0.3152 eco, and the end time is 2, 7, 20, 25 at 15. And here is the Sogni. Total airdrop of Sogni is 5,263, 158 Sogni, and the participants is 13,147 participants, and per GT is 1.59 Sogni, and the end time is 2, 7, 2025 at 15. And here is the ARW. Total airdrop of ARW is 1,500,000 ARW. The participants is 15,279, and per GT is 0.3039 ARW, and the end time is 2, 7, 20, 25 at 14. And here is the frag. Total airdrop 250,000 frag, and the participants is 14,154, and per GT is 0.0522 frag, and the end time is 1, 7, 2025 at 13:30. Okay, and here is the Referral Carnival startup. Referral Carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Here is the click button, and here is the invite now button. Click on it and invite now. First time claim plus 100 stars. Okay, first one is invite friends. Share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join startup. Claim successfully for the first time, then they will be your valid invite. Click on it and invite now. Here is the earn star. The second one is earn stars. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invites within 30 days, and the more trading volume of your invite, the more stars you can earn. Click on it and check your stars. And the third one, swap stars for shares. You can redeem stars for the additional claim shares in startup. Click on it and swap now. Here is the FAQ. What is startup stars? Startup stars is the exclusive reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars. To swap shares for a project, you can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. Okay, and the second one question we have, how to earn startup stars. New users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on this page can earn 100 startup stars. And the second one is existing users can invite new users to register on gate.io or invite other users to participate in startup for the first time. Both new users and users participating in startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invite. The ecosystem will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invite from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invite from the previous day is not less than 1000 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. Trading volume is equal to spot volume plus future volume multiplied by 40 percentage. And the next question we have, how to swap startup stars. Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrops to claim extra free airdrops. And the second now question we have, can I receive startup stars every day? For invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invite in a 30-day period. View the announcement for more details. The more invite reach the volume requirement, the more startup star you will receive. Okay, and the next question we have, can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup star swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup stars shares are extra shares in addition to your VIP default shares or startup vouchers. You can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrops. And here is the next question, the second last one. Is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade or rules change may lead to the invalidation of the startup stars. So please use your stars to swap shares. The sooner the better. And the next question we have, how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? The first one is, startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invite friends or their trading volume completed within 30 days following the registration. And the second one point is, the trading volume of the invite will be checked on a daily basis from the previous day. If it meets or exceeds 1000 USD, startup stars will be credited to your account. The more the invite trades, the more startup stars you will earn. And the third one is, we will take a snapshot of the trading volume of the invite from the previous day at 00 am UTC every day. Startup stars will be issued at 2 am UTC every day. And the fourth one point is, startup stars can be swapped for shares of VIP free airdrops at a rate of 10 stars for one share. Please note that there is a cap of 40,000 stars per project, allowing a maximum of 4,000 shares to be swapped for each project. Here is the daily trading volume, 1000 USDT. Then when the daily trading volume is 1000 USD, then the startup stars is 0 and the shares is also 0. And when the daily trading volume is 1000 to 3000 USD, then the startup stars is 10 and the shares is 1. And when the daily trading volume is 3000 3001 USD to 6000 USD. Then the startup charge is 20 and the shares is 2. And when the daily trading volume is 25,001 to 52,000 USD, then the startup charge is 250 and the shares is 25. And when the daily trading volume is 325,001 to 815,000 USD, then the startup charge is 300 and the shares is 300. And when the daily trading volume is 1,630,001, then the startup charge is 6,000 and the shares is 600. The trading volume in the last 30 days is equal to last 30 days spot trading volume plus last 30 days future trading volume multiply 40%. Thank you so much everyone for joining.